This commenter suggested that it's stupid to do a kit for an EV, and instead you should just buy a used one for $12,000 to $15,000. Look, it's true. You can find older Teslas or Nissan Leafs for that price on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or even your local auto auctions. But here's why I absolutely refuse to buy into any of those systems. All of those used EVs are completely black boxes. The second something goes wrong, you're entirely locked out. You can't fix it yourself. You can't swap a battery module in your driveway. The software is entirely locked down. You are locked into a standardized system where you are 100% dependent on the manufacturer or the dealership to fix what you should supposedly own yourself, right? On top of that, those factory EVs are flooded with proprietary tech and way too overly complex. There's too many moving parts that are guaranteed to break down as they age that you can't fix. And when they finally do break like they're designed to break, good luck sourcing a part, or let alone you being able to replace that part, because it's being gatekept by multi-billion-dollar corporations. This is exactly why we are building Kainos EV to be a completely open source and dead simple kit. If a module goes out, you swap it yourself right in the driveway. In fact, the Kainos kit is built to outlive the vehicle it's in. You could let the entire car body completely rot away and rust away, pull the Kainos EV kit out, drop it into a completely new shell, and keep right on driving. That's why I completely refuse to buy any of the used EVs. I refuse to buy any of the new EVs. Slate's the closest that I would ever get to, but it doesn't fit my use case quite yet or my price point. And I really want to help Americans with their vehicles so that they can actually own what they own and be able to fix it themselves. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks.